Let's see how we can import this into Gary's mod. I downloaded the space catapult and opened it in Blender. And most importantly, animated it with best expertise. I also tried some fire animations, but later realized I don't need them. For exporting your animations, you need the Source Engine tools. You have to install it and enable it under Preferences, and then you're good to go. Export it as SMD and make sure your animations are also selected. You have to animate with rigged, so the bones and stuff, and not just using keyframes. The export path is where you will find your SMD, and the engine path, the one that is in Gary's mod. Now snip with your fingers and your model will appear. Just kidding, you have to use crowbar. Now this tool can do a lot of things, but we'll focus on compiling. You have to choose your SMD file and you also need a QC file. Just Google what it is, and you may have to make sure that it can find where Gary's mod is installed, so the right drive. After it compiled successfully, you have to put it in the models folder in Gary's mod. And don't forget to scale it properly, because in Gary's mod the units have a certain size and you have to make sure that the Blender units are also the correct size. Materials also need to be converted, but I couldn't successfully make it. Fortunately, there are many add-ons that can do stuff like painting. You can also install add-ons that can play in-game music and also the animation tool which can start your animations. To enable the animations, I had to click on the context menu, which is in my case the C key. And I placed some fire particles in dynamite. A bonus is you can create your Lua scripts for Gary's mod. The basics are shown here for creating entities, but I didn't need them. Now let's see it in action.